Welcome again to MG Sports TV. So hopefully you guys are doing good and hopefully everything is fine. Alright, it has now been official. Demarai Gray to the Saudi Pro League. We'll be getting into that official. Here we go. The Fabrizio Romano officially announced. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. Just join the family by hitting that subscribe button, people. Become a part of the MG Sports TV family. It's good. It's good. I think it's nice here. I think it's nice. Ask the persons in the comment section. Anyways, we're going to get straight into the details about Demarai Gray. Remember that he's coming to join with the national team. I think he should join the national team today. But apparently, sort out these few matters before leaving Everton. As you guys know, I already did a video surrounding Demarai Gray and what's happening between him and Sean Dyche and Everton, and also the fans. But certainly, this has now gone behind him because he has now made the move to the Saudi Pro League. So let me just get that up on. Let me get that up on screen here, people. Where is it? Good. As you can see, Fabrizio Romano said Demarai Gray to Al Ettifaq. Here we go. Deal agreed for 10 million fee on permanent transfer. It will be signed today. Everton approved the deal. Gray will sign 4-year contract until 2027, and he already completed the medical test. Done and seal. Sign, seal, and delivered. Big. For him, specifically. No, a lot of players are moving to the Saudi Pro League. Yeah, it's not at the level, I do know that, but there's a lot of traction building up. And I do believe that the main reason for the traction is let's not beat around the bush, people. We're not going to beat around the bush. The main reason for the traction of the Saudi Pro League, I think a lot of the Ronaldo fan base are going to say that it's solely because of Ronaldo, everyone is going down there and this and that. But the truth is, money, it's all about the Benjamin. It's all about the Benjamin, and that's just fact. And that's just the truth. It is basically somewhat of a retirement plan. No, Demarai Gray was just 27. I think he's 28 now. Yeah, he's still in his prime. Normally, you see players when they're settling for that last big contract, they're in the 31, 32 bracket region, going for about Demarai Gray going for it a bit earlier, securing the bag, securing his family future. That's how it is. Because if you want to say that he wants to play the highest level of football, I don't think the Saudi Pro League is where that is. Especially moving out of England, where you can maybe move to Aston Villa, Fulham, one of those clubs who would be maybe in the mid-table, or even go across Europe in one of those European teams in Belgium, Germany, one of those places. So options are out there. Unfortunately, Everton never wanted to let go of Demarai Gray when he wanted to. So, and that's just football. Remember that I don't think that Demarai Gray would have able to stay at Everton and specifically get much game time solely because of what happened between him and the coach and the transfer between going to Fulham. Remember that he was also linked to Al Shabab. Is it Al Shabab? And it didn't work out. It didn't work out. Apparently what happened is that just before the final details of the contract was signed, there was a big management change, hierarchy change at Al Shabab, and that deal just did not materialize. Then now Al Ettifaq came in, swoop in, put some money on the board. Demarai Gray seemed interested and said, you know what? It's definitely better than staying here at Everton. And this will definitely be a toxic environment for me. And guess what? He chooses sanity. Don't want to stay in a toxic environment. A consistent rift between him and coach, both him and the club. And then now, maybe that's going to get the fans on him. And, to keep the fans on side, let's say, what? Best if I move when things aren't really blown out of proportion as yet. So, that's it for Demarai Gray. Big move for him. Securing his bag. That's just a part of football. That's the life of footballers. Their career is short, like between 12 to 15 years, and that's it. So securing the bag for the future. Can't say nothing against that. Anyways, hit the like button, people. Hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. This has been a good one. MG Sports TV. Big up on yourself, people. Tell us what you think in the comment section about this. Should they have made this move? to the Saudi Pro League, I should have waited for a different another option coming January. Unfortunately, he might not play much game during that time period because of the friction between him and coach. So let's see what you think in the comment section, people. Big up on yourself. MG Sports TV. We are out. Boom.